Remember that one time you went away for a lovely romantic weekend escape and spent far too much time in the bathroom stressing over the fact that you couldn't actually go to the bathroom and coming up with every excuse in the book to now apparently avoid all romantic advances from your romantic partner? I see you. Girl, I'm gonna give it to you straight. 1, your stomach is a mess. 2, you're always stressed. If this sounds like you, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Stick around to the end where I'm going to make all your dreams come true by sharing a download with you to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. Back to the story. Yes, your gut health and your stress are connected. Let me guess, you lay down at night to relax and your brain is like, oh my gosh, Johnny's never going to make anything of himself. Johnny's 12. What am I going to bring to Thanksgiving dinner? My marriage is stale. I need to lose 10 pounds. I hate losing 10 pounds. It sucks. I wonder when the next episode of Emily in Paris comes out. Did I pay my credit card bill? Is today the trash day? And all the while your cortisol levels rise like a good batch of bread, causing you the infamous 3 a.m. wake up, and it starts all over again. And you wonder why you have digestive issues and anxiety. If this is you, hit that subscribe button while I introduce myself. I'm Wendy Frazier, gut specialist and essential oil expert. I'm here to help you get a better gut, feel great, have fun doing it, and get back into your jeans that actually fit this morning. Stick around to the end where you will be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating, and you do not want to miss it. It's good. You already know that one of the tools for a better gut comes in the form of probiotics. So why exactly are probiotics so good for you, and how will they help you with your digestive issues and anxiety? When you get a better gut, your brain gets better too. It's always a twofer. Let me break it down. The best probiotics are actually the good bacteria that's already in your gut. We need the right amounts and we need the right kinds to feel really good. The most important piece here is variety. Just like nobody wants to eat the brown M&Ms only, our body thrives on a diverse population of gut bacteria. The way you promote that diversity is by eating lots of different kinds of fruits and vegetables and grains every single day. Without diversity, we develop stomach issues from stress. Be sure to check out my video titled Digestive Issues and Anxiety. What, you say? You're lazy? And you don't want to eat sauerkraut, kimchi, and all those tangy foods, which are actually the best probiotics? Well, I guess you will miss out on the fart smell that permeates your whole entire kitchen, but you can cheat and take a great probiotic. Look for one that is encapsulated in a way that it will make it down to your stomach without being killed by your stomach acid. Look for one that has lots of different strains, adding the variety that your microbiome wants and needs. But seeing as probiotics are actually living organisms, they need to eat too, so that they can be strong and do all the good in your body that they're designed to do. So what do they eat? The winner is prebiotics for gut health. These are insoluble fibers that are left over whenever you eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, legumes, just real food. What, you ask? You don't want to cut up veggies, make a smoothie, or eat your broccoli? Well, you're probably not going to be pooping nearly enough, and your intestines will likely be lined with undigested waste, but you do you. You can actually take a prebiotic also today. Welcome to 2023. But in all seriousness, what if you could have the best probiotic that has a prebiotic built into it? This would mean that that probiotic has an even greater chance of making it all the way into your gut strong, robust, and ready to go to work. But wait, don't order yet, there's more. What if there was a postbiotic? What, you ask, Wendy? Well, it takes a while for prebiotics and probiotics to actually do their thing and convert into the things that really help us. We'll just call that the end result. But what if you could have that end result built right into the very best probiotic so that you didn't have to wait so long to feel all those positive effects? Do you want to feel less anxious? Lactobacillus plantarum addresses common symptoms of anxiety by boosting dopamine and decreasing inflammation. How cool is that? Bifidobacterium longum acts as an antidepressant and also helps with anxiety by reducing cortisol. Lactobacillus rhamnosus is used to prevent allergic reactions, including eczema. I know, right now you're just like, okay, Wendy, show me where to buy it. Just tell me what to do. Show me where to buy it. That's all I want. I don't want to eat the stinky sauerkraut. I don't want to cut up the vegetables. I don't want to drink the smoothies. I just want to take the pill. Well, click the link in my bio and all your dreams will in fact come true. You can also find a link there in my description down below to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating, which is where I will tell you the exact supplement that I recommend and take myself. In the meantime, if you want to figure out how to make vegetables taste better, poop more often, and increase not only your life expectancy, but how happy you actually are in that life, hit the subscribe button and follow me. You can also find me on Instagram at Wendy Loves Oils, where I share essential oil tips and fun tutorials for natural living. Looking for a guide on your path to get a better gut and turn your life around? Book a discovery call with me. That's my favorite thing to do. Now go throw out the expired sauerkraut in your kitchen. It smells terrible.